Now with our paper this way, the way we're going to do it here is we're going to reach in also on the inside of here. We're going to go ahead and pull this flap out as well. Here, I'll flip it over. When I pull this flap out, it's going to create this triangle piece like this. Now we have a final, complete symmetry right here. Now we flip this over like so. We're going to lift this up, open it up, just press it down. This is going to finalize the beginning that we've started for our cat here. We're placing this kite right over the top of this other one. There we go. We want to make sure the lines are all in line, especially this one right here that's bisecting the whole thing. Press it down really well. There you go. As you can see, this is how it should look.